Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We are going to head out to the bay and we're going to see if we could take this race drone and fly around some lighthouses, weather permitting. So and hopefully we don't land in the drink. So here we go.
Nothing ever comes to me, yeah, in a steady stream, but you gotta keep on going. You gotta live that dream. I know I ain't supposed to feel it, but oh how it feels. Nothing ever comes to me, yeah, in a steady stream, but you gotta keep on going. You gotta live that dream. I know I ain't supposed to feel it, but oh how it feels. Instead of letting it go, I let it stay. Can't get enough of. They say there's one for everyone, but when the day is done, I'm still the black swan. But I need you like the bird needs a shotgun. If you can't fight it, you better fly away from it. You better fly away from it. You better fly away from it. Letting it go. Fly away from it. Letting it go. Letting it go.
This is probably the farthest that I've ever flown. If you can see the lighthouse right over there. It worked well. But anyway, hope you enjoyed. I'll check you later.